Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to create an animated border around the text using HTML and CSS only. As you can see on the screen, this is the animated border which changes its color around it and it continuously keeps on changing. Let me refresh the page again. We will see. Yeah, this is how the starting animation whenever a new user comes to the page. This is how it will look like. We can try it again. This is how it completes the rectangle. We have text inside this and this is some tagline. We can also provide the background image. If we look at the code, let me do the changes. This is the unsplash image which will be the background. Let me save the code and open the browser again. This is how it will look like. Let me refresh it. This is how this goes around and this is how the animated gradient border will look like around the text. You can use it into your home page of the website or in WordPress or Blogger. It can also be used in your portfolio websites to make the landing page more attractive to the users. This is the simple code and not too big, not too long code. This is the basic HTML structure and this is the code. I'll be providing link to the code in the description. You can check out the link and copy the code from there, use into your personal projects and make something incredible for your users. And this will be the final result. Let me change back to the black color so we can see the animation completely clearly. This is how it will look like. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video.